Good afternoon, traders. This is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com, and I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday afternoon. We're going to take a look at the LinkedIn chart. So LinkedIn, it's got a gap to fill down here at 219.27. So that's the close of this candle. I do think that's going to get filled. I'm not necessarily going to predict a direction after that, but I do think that for sure that this gap is going to get filled down at 219.27. Some options should pay nicely on that. The reason being that I think we're going to fill that is just because if you look at these candles, while it is making higher highs and higher lows, we're also not experiencing very bullish candles. So it's heading up and then getting sold into. We're gapping up and then it's getting sold into. Again, gap up, go to the highs, and then sold into. And this is a shooting star doji right here. Okay, so this long upper wick, upper shadow, as some people call it, is not bullish. Okay, in fact, when it's at the top of the Bollinger Band, remember I have the extra wide settings on these Bollinger Bands. So on the factory settings, I would bet that this is actually outside of the Bollinger Band. So LinkedIn is looking like a good short heading into next week. Going to fill this gap. We might even fill this gap down here, but for now we're going to take it day by day, and we'll see how Monday and Tuesday forms out for us. So we're going to keep an open mind, and we're day trading these. So you know, if it pops up, you know, we're going to get calls if it looks bullish on an intraday basis. But I suspect that we will be getting into some puts on a break below the lows of these candles right here. So that should do nicely for us. You can join us in the live chat room and you can get these alerts in real time. You can get a glimpse behind the curtain of the Trading Analyst member-only features like the live chat room, educational videos, real-time superior option and stock alerts with your free 15-day trial at thetradinganalyst.com. Good afternoon, traders. This is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com, and I hope you guys are all enjoying your beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're going to take a look at the Tesla chart. As previously pointed out on the video, on the last video I did on Tesla, it was likely that we were going to fill this gap right here, and we did fill that gap. And now we're looking to fill this gap up here. This gap is at 279.50, I believe. Let's see. It's the close of this candle, 279.72. Okay, that's the close of this candle right here. So 279.72, that's our target. We're going to be looking for a day trade on some options. If we get down to this about 270 level right here, it's a great entry point. As you can see, it's got support from these candles right here, and also the open of this candle is about 271. So there's some support right there. Great place if we can get down there during the day tomorrow. That's going to be a great spot to pick up long. We might just gap up in the morning and fill this gap right away because the close was certainly pretty bullish on Tesla with some really good volume. So on the daily chart, if you're looking at the volume, this is exactly what you want to see if you're bullish on the name. And the candle, if you notice, okay, look over here and look at the candle over here. Okay, this is a doji. When you get a doji on high volume, that move should be considered with caution at the very least. We got into some puts because after these two dojis and this a lower close on the doji, especially with those two pretty decently high volume days. That means that a lot of people are selling up here, at least during these candles. But when you get a candle like this with a long lower wick and then it bounces up all the way to the highs of the session on high volume, okay, that's bullish. That's very bullish. So I suspect that Tesla will for sure see the low 280s tomorrow up here, and is going to retest these highs. So we're leaning bullish on Tesla for this week's trading session. Yeah, so join us in the live chat room, and you're going to be able to catch these moves in real time as we're giving you these alerts as day trades to help you make money while you're also learning. You can get a glimpse behind the curtain of the trading analyst member-only features like the live chat room, educational videos, and real-time option and stock alerts with your free 15-day trial at thetradinganalyst.com.